Hello friends, our IFRS and IND AS is the same. IFRS stands for International Financial Reporting Standards and IND AS stands for Indian Accounting Standards. And if you are an entity that comes under that ambit, you're supposed to maintain your books of accounts based on the principles laid out in them. So before I get into the video, let me tell you about myself and this new series. My name is Prateej. I'm the director of a financial consulting company called Mukhya Consulting Private Limited out of Chennai, India. We provide end-to-end business solutions for our clients with respect to business registrations, statutory compliance, bookkeeping, auditing, and advisory to our clients in India and abroad. Now, some of you must have seen my other videos on various other topics, but henceforth my videos will only be covering IFRS. Now, this new series will be called Deep Dive into IFRS. It will not be a strictly formal approach. The main purpose of this series is to educate the CEOs, CFOs, professional accountants, and business owners around the world with respect to the practical application of IFRS. Though this series will be useful to students as well, only depending on this for their exams is not advised. I'll be going standards wise in this series. As in, once I take up a standard, I'll go in depth into this standard, giving out concepts, definitions, case studies, and examples. And only after this it is entirely done will I be going to the next standard. IFRS is applicable to 168 countries around the world. Now, who's conspicuous by its absence here is the US. US follows its own set of standards called the US GAAP. Now, what India has done interestingly here is to cut, copy, paste the IFRS and give it an Indian name called IND AS. The logic behind this is the business culture in India, which requires some deviations brought in through carve in and carve out principles. So essentially what we follow in India is IFRS only with a few exceptions. Now, to answer the basic point of this video as to whether the IFRS and IND AS are same, they are essentially the same only. As and when there are differences between IND AS and IFRS in the standard that I'm explaining, I'll be highlighting the same so that you guys can apply it accordingly. So in the next video, we'll be starting with IAS 1/IND AS 1. Till then, bye and thank you for your valuable time.